Do you know why lab-grown meat is in news recently? Dear viewer, after watching this video you will know why lab-grown meat is in news recently, and you may try to multiple choice questions that may be helpful for your competitive exams. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultured meat, is meat that is produced by culturing animal cells in vitro. This means that the cells are grown in a laboratory environment rather than inside an animal's body. The cells are typically taken from a biopsy of an animal, and then they are placed in a nutrient-rich solution where they can multiply and grow. Once the cells have grown enough, they can be shaped into different cuts of meat. Yes, there are a few reasons why lab-grown meat has been in the news recently. The USDA and FDA have approved the sale of lab-grown meat in the United States. This is a major milestone for the industry, as it paves the way for lab-grown meat to be sold in stores and restaurants. Several companies are now producing lab-grown meat at a commercial scale. This includes companies like Memphis Meats, Just, and Olive Farms. These companies are working to bring lab-grown meat to market at a price that is affordable for consumers. There is growing public interest in lab-grown meat. A recent survey found that 63% of Americans are interested in trying lab-grown meat. This interest is likely due to the growing concerns about the environmental impact of traditional meat production. As a result of these factors, lab-grown meat is becoming increasingly mainstream. It is likely that we will see more and more news about lab-grown meat in the years to come. Here are some specific examples of recent news stories about lab-grown meat. US approves sale of lab-grown chicken, paving the way for commercial production. CNN Business, 21st June 2023. Lab-grown meat company raises $170 million to bring product to market. The New York Times, 17th May 2023. These are just a few examples of the many recent news stories about lab-grown meat. It is clear that this is an industry that is rapidly growing and evolving. It will be interesting to see how lab-grown meat develops in the years to come. To support your competitive exams, you may try the following multiple choice questions. Please text your answer in the comment box. Which is the country the first to approve the use of lab-grown meat? A. Singapore. B. China. C. USA. D. India. Which is the country the second to approve the use of lab-grown meat? A. India. B. China. C. USA. D. Singapore. Thank you for watching and wish you all the best.